Anytime there is a mild traumatic brain injury, whether it be in sports or some other everyday arena, and it's possible that someone else's negligence caused that injury, it's important to get to an attorney at some point soon and have that attorney evaluate that case for them. Sometimes there is negligence involved in a situation that may not be intuitive or on the front of the person's mind when they think about their situation. But upon careful reflection, it's clear that something could have been done different that could have prevented this. You know, one of the most interesting stories that comes from the headlines these days is the recent settlement for over $700 million of claims by former NFL players that they suffered essentially mild traumatic brain injury from playing in the NFL. For years, nobody thought that that was a possible claim, and nobody really thought about the fact that these guys were getting injured or that anything could be done about it. But the truth of the matter is there were claims there. Obviously there were claims, as the NFL was willing to pay in excess of $700 million to resolve those claims. You know, one of the plaintiffs in the NFL settlement for former players that was recently announced for over $700 million is Tony Dorsett. Are you kidding me? Tony Dorsett? I'm a Redskins fan. When I was growing up and watching him run all over the field, it didn't occur to me that he had a brain injury or was getting repeated brain injuries. That's a perfect illustration of how a person who looks normal and is going through everyday life activities actually may have experienced trauma that is in the category of a mild traumatic brain injury.